Well, this is how we're going to start this video. Yay. Don't you love belts? Race car life is so much fun. Let's just keep building shit and, you know, not upgrading other shit so it breaks. And we sit on the road and wait on goddamn tow trucks all fucking day long.
My battery died too.
Are you recording?
I am.
Oh.
This is the beginning of the next video.
Hi YouTube.
So, Mike redeemed himself. He hurt a Trackhawk's feelings. He was right there with him. Old boy thought he was quick. He wasn't quick enough.
On the 85.
Now, before we go into fixing this, which is going to be tomorrow, because, yeah. Mike, tell them what you witnessed.
It was pretty interesting. So, after my little escapade, this guy with the Trackhawk's like, oh, I want to play with him. So, I'm like, ooh, this is going to be fun. So, I pulled over, slow down a little bit because I want to see this. And I just see Alex's headlights go whoop, and then they go whoop. And I said, oh, shit, something happened. So, yeah, and he looked pretty fucking angry when he creeped by me.
Me? No.
Yeah. I was like, oh, shit.
We pulled, and I knew exactly what it was the moment it happened because the battery light came on, which means the alternator wasn't spinning, which can only be one goddamn thing. So here we are in Fort Worth, 2 days before a show that I'm supposed to be racing in.
It's called testing too.
Yes, for sure. For damn sure. So, we're going to get this taken back to the house, and we will catch up with you tomorrow. Yeah.
Oh, we get to see tomorrow, so stay tuned.
Yep. So, it's the next day. This is the belt that left us on the side of the road last night. This was a Gates belt. These are the ones that Rip suggest. For those of you who want to know, that's the part number for it. This is an emergency belt because, well, we have officially learned that it's time for something a little more heavy duty. So Mike, who is over there taking inferior parts off my car and putting better parts on, did a little research, and Duralast has a Poly V belt. The part number is right there. There you go. This is going to be a better belt, and it's going on as we speak. Good old Eric is here. Old dirt. So, also too, seat delete, cage. And then we got these guys. Who are you?
Seth, Tracked E39, Shane, E36 LTW, owner of SWR Motorsports in Orange County, California.
Boom.
So, out here with this bitch, drove over 1,400 miles.
Yeah, how long did it take you?
26 hours.
Oh
we had some hiccups, so.
What's the shorter list right now? What's not broken or what is?
Fuel pump started going bad. Too much crankcase pressure, so a bunch of seals started leaking, so we're replacing those. And then do a little bit of extra maintenance and fixing stuff on the side. Also run into supercharger issues with our tensioner as well, so. And
then you're going to race me tomorrow, right?
Yeah, I'm going to lose, but that's okay.
This is his car. What year is it?
It's a 02 540.
Just a little bit going on. Good Lord. The Snaily boy. So yeah, we got Mike's car. Hey. We got Mike's car. We got Seth's car. Valkyrie's getting put back up right now. Got the vet behind there. Eric's here with the Jeep, which we break down that much that now he has a built-in tool system in the back of it. Going crazy. Race Wars tomorrow. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Still racing me?
I'm painting my roof black.
You are.
It has scratches in it.
Hey.
What?
How long do you think it'll be before he notices?
I don't know. Maybe I would say a day.
Oh, easily.
At least a day. How long do you think?
For what?
Before he notices.
Oh. It's going to be a couple days.
Oh,
He doesn't clean his car, so.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright. At least 3 races.
Anyway, so the rest of this today, we're going to be diving in and getting all this fixed up, ready for tomorrow. Mike's currently about to put on the new wicker, and then the Ferrari red seat delete's going in the cage, and then test pulls, because we need to make sure we're not going to break anything else. Hi, Eric.
Yeah, about that.
So yesterday, the reason why this thing broke, new fuel system's in, horsepower numbers, hate to break it to you guys, stayed the same. Reason why, we're not trying to increase cylinder pressure right now. We're not trying to blow another block. There are other things in the works. So if you guessed 474, hey, you won something. If you didn't, you didn't win anything. That's just how the cookie crumbles. But we were out doing pulls yesterday. We had the belt destroy itself. It was actually slipping a little bit above 3,000 when we would get into the power band, because the new fuel system that's in the car from Fore Innovations actually turns on the hop switch at 5 pounds, which turns on the secondary pump. We had a lot of fuel back into the car. We were having issues, and last night it let loose. So that's being replaced. Yeah. We have our work cut out for us today. And then we're going to a meet tonight.
I don't know which one yet.
One of these damn meets. We're going to a meet. Dang, Mike. Hey, Mike.
Yes, sir.
Can I get a oh yeah? Oh yeah. Yes! That'll boy. Okay, update on the day. Still finishing this gap right now. They're putting new oil in the supercharger. Fuel pump's been done. Belt is already on here. Tension is already done. We're having issues still with the hosing for the catch can. It's still collapsing at idle, but under boost and under load, they open up. Not a giant deal, but we will be replacing that. And currently, right now, everything is torn out of here. Everything.
I got a sticker.
You did get a sticker. Yeah, we got a couple of big ass stickers.
And my roof is dry.
This thing actually just got vacuumed for the first time in its life.
It's so
Look
clean.
at it, so luxurious. But oh my god, all the carpeting and stuff's out of the back of here. They're putting in all the bracketing and everything right now for the seat delete. Cage is going, and now back here, one of the things I wanted to show you guys. Bailys did this. The fuel pump is in. For those of you who don't know, it sits right there behind you in the driver's seat, and then back here. Well, I'm not going to rip it out again, but you can see all the wiring and everything coming out of there. I have my FC3 controller back here. So, reason why for that, instead of hardwiring it into the harness, if the secondary pump goes bad, there are fuses right here that will go bad instead of shorting everything out and causing a fire or anything else. So, yeah, take your time to do it right. But yeah, everything's out. We got big ass stickers. I don't know if you see on the new wicker bill, that is massive. And then back here on the vet, flip-flop life. You think they're MFR cars? They could be MFR cars. So, last final pieces there, clean up, and then we're going to go check out a meter too, get some food, and then get a couple of hits in, because I want to see if that new belt, because we got a heavier duty belt, helps with any kind of, yeah, it was a bit of pain in the dick. But we want to see if that new belt is going to alleviate any kind of slippage issues.
Yeah.
I may honestly register a little more boost. It's okay, because now we have the fuel to accommodate it. We will check back in a bit. These two hummos.
Oh, you gonna fucking throw me in the mix?
Bro, you're sitting there watching him.
I'm laughing. Fool. What the fuck you want me to do?
He's like,
Hey, no, I think
no. Wow, there's a lot happening right now.
and I
All right, gentlemen.
All right, so we're gonna tighten those back ones first.
Yeah. Just change your subject. It's cool.
Tighten it like you're just tightening your shoes.
listen.
Yeah,
Or do you
that's
want-
what we wanted, right?
Hey, big race time. Here we go. You ready? You ready? Traction's off. Oil pressure looking good. Oil temp's great. Trans temp is fucking amazing. Coolant's fine. Intake is a little warm, but that's because of the blower. We're ready, guys. We're ready. So we just got the first race in. It wasn't good.
It was fun.
It was her first time on the drag strip with that. Why are you... That's not a bad thing. Okay, so the race was ass. She ran a 12.8 at 104. I ran a 12.7 at 107.
Track's cold.
The track is very cold.
Didn't let you.
My burnout was straight trash because it didn't do anything. Yeah. And then...
Hey, you leave Hulk Hogan alone.
And then halfway down the track, I started doing the wiggles.
I didn't
Made
do
me
any wiggles.
a little
I
nervous.
spun at the line a little bit.
It's all that damn wheel shine.
Yeah.
But we're going to let this thing cool off, and then we're going to go get another one, and I'll make sure the camera's on this time, because it wasn't.
John got the last one, though. Maybe
Good.
he'll send it.
Well, we'll get that clip from him.
Yeah.
All right, we're going for the second race now. I'll make sure to have it turned around this time so you guys can see it. The problem with the last one is I wasn't on the stall, and I didn't get a good burnout. So we're going to see if we can fix that this time. Yeah. So it's a few days later. We're in Atlanta now. Nice and calm and quiet and enjoying the holiday. Hope the rest of you did with your families, but kind of wanted to recap what happened on race day. Obviously, I did not get the results I wanted.
That's okay.
We have a little bit of a learning curve to go on now. Like, you got to remember, there's a bunch of new parts. The power and torque curve are completely different. I'm essentially having to relearn how to drive my car. Believe there may be a hiccup or two in the tuning, or something may be broken. I wouldn't say broken, but she's got a hiccup in certain RPM range points, and we just have to figure out what's going on there.
Yeah, you just need to do some data logging. I know.
The car wasn't acting the way we wanted it to. Track conditions.
Cold.
I hate using track conditions as an excuse, but here I don't think it was an excuse.
It was cold.
There weren't many people racing. The temperature was going up and down and up and down and up and down. And anybody that's ever used MVT understands that that's going to cause condensation, and we were definitely running into that. The track conditions just were not good. Yeah, so she lost.
I knew I was going to lose. Hey, the first one, I didn't lose by much, though. I was pretty proud of
How about the second one?
I mean, what was it? 5/10?
5/10, yeah.
Something like that? 5 or 6?
Half a second? Which, as we all know, in
Okay,
drag
it
racing,
was drag race, like,
forever.
the third time I've ever drag raced down the strip.
Oh, you sound like Mike.
No. No, that man's butt hurt.
Oh, but yeah, guys,
It was fun, though.
we're going to be doing a few more things with the car here, actually, fairly soon.
Yeah.
We will be doing a race fuel. So, as always, we appreciate the support. Yes, we didn't get the result we wanted, but that doesn't mean we're quitting. We will be back to racing soon. Hopefully we can get another race day or two in before the season ends.
Yeah.
It's going to be a close one. But yeah, didn't want to kind of leave you guys hanging and not really, have any kind of explanation as to what went on, because, I mean, if I watched the video and I just cut it off at the racing, it wouldn't make any sense either, so.
Right. So,
We got a learning curve. That's all part of it. But we will get to that goal. So, again, wish you and yours had a great holiday. Like, share, subscribe, all that crazy shit. Stay savage.